So if you can't access that half kneeling position without your hips hiking or feeling like your quadriceps is going to tear off, then the couch stretch is the stretch for you. So called because you can do this sitting at home on your couch. So you're watching TV, you hear my little voice in your head say, get up off your ass, do some stretching, and you're going to do just that. Grab yourself a yoga block. We're going to put the yoga block under our knee. We're going to post our foot up behind us on the top of the couch. And then the aim of the game is to keep my hips square and level, and then pull this hip forward through into extension. Just accessing this position itself is going to be an absolute mega stretch for many of you to start. So really think about tucking your pelvis under into a little bit of a posterior tilt. You're going to feel a big stretch coming in, and then we want to stay as tall as possible. It's advisable to have something to hang on to. At first it can be really difficult to keep your balance. This is not a balance challenge. This is a stretch for your hip flexor. So keep your hips square, work up to 2 minutes in this position, and then shoot me a message.
Oh my god. This is going to rip to shreds.
This position for you, Becca, as I bring the camera behind, is that the hips are nice and level. So putting the left knee on the yoga block allows the hips to stay square, and then allows us to bring the hip through into true eternal hip extension. When we look from the front again, hips are nice and square, and the right leg isn't throwing out too far to the side.